back around 1 p.m. and I have things to do today, so I'm really busy. And this one, you know, it's only a 20-minute drive, so I figured why not just pull up to their shop and see if I can get this issue fixed already. And they're really professional. And I see I follow them on Instagram. They do really good work, and sometimes they set records. They do supercharger installs and turbocharger systems, or turbo systems. So I'm hoping that they do this, they figure out whatever the issue is, and boom, I walk out for free of charge, you know. So yeah, let's see. And here we are. This is the shop that I'm pulling up to. They're a really good shop. I'm pretty, like, I came here before for some services. My car had an issue, and I came in, they fixed it within like 30 seconds, literally, because it was just a small issue, and then they didn't even charge me. Okay, so what I have to...
You see what I mean?
So the 90mm is the idler installed in the wrong place?
I think they can send you the wrong idler.
Apparently there is belt slip still. He says that I have the wrong idler. It's supposed to be a groove pulley and not a smooth pulley. So that's where the belt slip is coming in.
The ones here, but like, I mean, you already got almost as much wrap as you can do, you know. Right. Usually if they're closer and you do a bigger idler, then it'll make it have more wrap. But like with them being that far away, that won't even really do anything for it.
Okay. So I should have gotten a bigger idler?
No, I mean, doing a bigger idler here won't change anything up here where you're having belt slip.
Okay.
Yeah, the only place that it would do it is like down here around the crankshaft, but it doesn't really slip on the crank. See how close that one is to the crank?
Yeah.
So if that one gets bigger, that idler gets bigger, it will move the belt closer. Like this one though, if it gets just a little bigger, it's barely gonna change that angle up here, you know. It's not gonna make it have any more wrap on it, you know. I don't know who said that would give it more wrap, you know, but that's yeah.
This is, you know, I ordered it.
It's just these two right here are the ones. These two right here, this one here and this one here are the ones that are directly affecting this. But your problem though is see how much slack you got on it there.
Okay.
Yeah. So that being said, it's probably, let's look at the tension. It's not as tight up there. It's just a spring, you know. So yeah. See, it's got a whole bunch there. Yeah, it's up. Your belt's probably not ruined, you know. I mean, your belt's not ruined. Your belt's fine. It's been slipping a little bit, but it's probably fine.
Yeah, I haven't gone full throttle that much.
Yeah,
you know.
You want me to pull this one off? Put it.
Okay, so I see now. He did swap the wrong one, and
yeah, it's supposed to go up here.
Okay. Yeah, because I was watching videos and I was like, something doesn't look right. Got the new belt on. I'm ready to drive this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't hear any belt slip at all. This thing is perfect. Take this. All right, so I'm back in the car. excited to do my first pull. Not even joking. The car is driving a lot smoother. It just feels a lot better. So let me tell you guys what was wrong with the car. I had all the parts. I did not need a new belt. The problem was my 90mm idler was installed in the wrong spot. That's all it was. So they put my other ones, but they just replaced them. Like they swapped them. They put it back to normal, and a lot more tension on the belt, because I still was getting belt slip because that tensioner, the 90mm idler was in the wrong spot. Now it's good. Everything is good. I don't need a retune, like I said before. So everything works perfect now. That was the only issue. But I did get a new belt put on just to be safe. First pull with a smaller pulley.